Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be doing a Bloxburg house tour. And first of all, before I start this video, I'm gonna say it already. I was inspired by a video, and I'm gonna put it in the link in the description so you guys could go check it out and not say that I'm copying them because I actually was just inspired, and I've been inspired by this house for about like 7 months, and I finally finished it, created it, so I'm really excited for you guys to see. So yeah, and yeah, this house is just mine because before I used to share my houses with my friends, but they've already made their houses. First, when you come in, you could see this nice autumn picture because autumn is coming up and I'm really excited. And right here we have some books and plants and yeah. And over here we have different types of coffee, and I just thought it was really aesthetic and cute. Over here we just have oh my gosh. Over here we just have like a little place where I could put my books, candles, just like a nice little decoration place. Over here is another like hangout, I don't know, sort of room. Like you have the books over there and you could just like read and sit and like chill. And over here we have the bathroom. And I know it's like so white. Um, but honestly, it's just like so cute and aesthetic. And yeah, I have a shower over here and nice type of style where the towels are placed. And we obviously have the privacy blinds over here. We don't want people looking at us while we're in the bathroom. And over here by the bookshelves, we have my garage. I have, I don't know what it's called, but it's a car. And it costs Bloxbucks. And it was like super expensive, and so was this motorcycle. I'm gonna have like a car collection over here. And over here I have just like a nice paint place, like normal garage stuff. And over here I have a secret place, like in case anything happens, we have a secret room, like kind of like a trophy room. Over here I have my premium trophy, which you get every single time you get premium. And we just have like some tea, sis. We have some tea over here. You just sit down and chill. Here's a picture of me at the beach and me and my sister. Okay. Sorry, I'm having like a really bad time breathing right now. Like something's going on with me. Okay, over here we have a nice cute picture which is so Tumblr, and it has like this nice like pumpkin dessert and candle. It's just like so cute and cozy. It makes the room like more cozy than it already is. Over here I have just like a shelf with things, yeah, just like a shelf to like occupy the room. And bookshelves. Over here I have my couches where we could sit down, and this is so like mean. Like I'm gonna have to like jump all the way over here just to turn on the TV or climb. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to turn this on. Whatever, guys. I'm gonna fix this. And up there, I have a picture of cinnamon roll, and it says "Hello, Autumn," which is so cute and cozy. And it's a plant and a TV. Yep, and these windows just make it look so modern. It's so cute. I also have like a clock up there, and a picture full of oranges, and forgot what that's called. A hanger, I think. I don't know. Over here we have some Tumblr pictures, like things that people post in Tumblr, and just like a nice little table. And over here is my dining table, which is so cute, I swear. This is the cutest, almost like the cutest part of the house. It's so like perfect. And so is this. It's like so cute. And it matches with everything. So does the color. And it's like very pretty. And over here is my kitchen. I know it's so empty right now, but I don't know. I like it empty. You know, guys, like less is more. I think that's the saying. We have some nice inspirational pictures, a microwave, like the countertop and the stove. And it's like so cute. And so is this coffee maker. It's like cute. And we also have the telephone in order for us to call pizza. Like every single time my sisters come over, I'm always like, let's order pizza. Over here we have another secret room. I swear, if we can't get in, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my gosh, no, I need to show you guys my secret room. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Wait, what? Why can't I get it? After I'm gonna turn into a kid. Okay, guys. And we also have my refrigerator. That's the kitchen. It's like very big, but still, like there's nothing in there. And over here we have another clock. And as we come up to the second floor, we could see the whole living room, which is so cute, I swear. I also have some aesthetic pictures and another one of these like cute decorations, full plants and books. Over here we have new room number 1. It's so cute and aesthetic. We have obviously aesthetic pictures over here and a couch where you could sit down and just like, I don't know why I'd sit down for. Over here we have my office with the bookshelves and a nice iMac. Well, that's what they call it in real life. Just like so cute, such a cute, office, just like to do your work. And we also have like, I know, but like the nice little decorations that people don't notice. It's just like so pretty in the house. It is like, I notice them. I'm like so weird. This is why I have no friends. And here's another room. Happy mind, happy life. That I can't relate. And here we have like another one of this like freaking blinding bathrooms. Like I can't see anything. And I don't know why it's reflecting the moon. Like, am I a vampire or something? And like when you turn on the lights, it just like blinds you. Over here we have nice aesthetic pictures, and here's the last room. So cute. It's like a nice room. Yeah. I think this is my favorite room of the house. And we have a bathroom, obviously. Is that it? Oh, wait. Yeah, that is it. Sorry, guys. So I hope you guys, oh yeah, and I told you guys I'd turn into a kid in order for you guys to see, so I need to go fast. Okay. So here's the secret room. It's just like a nice bedroom. I know I need to put more lights. And a bathroom. This is like one of my favorite bathrooms. Like, I don't like the other bathrooms. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you'd like, you could hit the like button because I don't really care. So yeah, bye.